Alright guys, today I'm going to teach you how to earn over 100,000 Ghana cedis ET. Alright, so first of all, what you have to do is to go to Play Store. Go to Play Store, search for Super X. So this is the Super X. So as you are typing, you see Super X exchange app. Alright, so let me give you a brief info about it. So you have to go to install. I've installed mine already, that's why the open button is there. So let me open it. So after you install, open the app. Alright, so Super X is an exchange wallet. When we say exchange wallet, we can buy and sell any crypto coin there. Alright, so as you can see, there, and also this Super X exchange is having their own coin called ET. So this is the ET. This is called the ET. So right now 1 ET is equivalent to 42 Ghana cedis, 80 pesos. And the moment what I'm going to teach you, after you follow everything, the process that I'm going to teach you, you earn 5 ET. So let's say 5 times 4, 5, 20. Let's take the ET as 40 Ghana cedis. You are going to get 200 Ghana cedis. Alright, so as you can see, when you say exchange wallet, you have the P2P, you have the deposit, everything. That is called exchange wallet. You can swap your coin and everything. Alright, so the next thing that you have to do is go to the symbol on top here, the left top button. When you go there, alright, so let me log out due to 1 or 2. Let me log out from the first account. Alright, so that you can get the concept very well. So when you go to that symbol that looks like a rocket on top, left top button, when you go there and you tap there, it will ask you to log in or register. So you go to log in or register. Alright, so on top like this, you'll be seeing register. This is the register, login with mobile and all those stuff. So I'm going to register. And you go to register, they will ask you to either register with email or, so right now it's at number, or you can choose to register with email. Alright, so right now I'm going to use mobile number. So when you tap on the country's logo here, you search for your country, or you can scroll. So Ghana is GH, you select, you enter your number. So this is my number. Alright, so the password, after I'm done with it, I'm going to change the password so you can't get access to it. So let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Alright, so then this is add uppercase letter to it. So me, I'm going to use capital C small h. So after I'm done, so this is it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. I'm done with the password. But this is the necessary point. This is the necessary point. I'll be leaving, so you'll be seeing referral ID. I'll be leaving the referral ID under this video. Those on YouTube, you get it in the description box, so you just write it down. So you are, when I paste it, you will see the referral ID. So I'm going to paste it. I've copied, because if you don't use this referral ID, you are not going to get that 5 ET, which is 200 Ghana cedis. You won't get it. So use it. So the referral ID is Q7 6B NCTT4. So after you have pasted everything off, you type everything finish, you go to this here and take it. You take the terms of service or terms of condition, then you submit. So I see card, so I'm going to select card. Done. So I will get an SMS notification. So they will send me mobile verification code. So you can see that it has popped up on top here. So I'm going to set in the verification code. Alright, so I'll go to SMS. So when you go to SMS, so after you copy your SMS, you go back to the Super X, then you paste in the code that you get, the verification code, then you submit. So after submission, you are done with the account. So I'm going to teach you where I will get my 200 Ghana cedi. So when you go to wallet, this is the wallet. So after you go to wallet, you can see that this is it. I'm having 214 Ghana cedis in the account. Alright, so the next thing that you have to do is go to home page. When you go to home page, you'll be seeing that there's written referral. So when you tap on the referral, so you'll be getting your own referral ID and referral link. So you just tell the person to download, and you send the person your that is your referral ID. So any point in time you refer each person, the person is going to, when the person uses the referral ID, you are going to get 5 ET. Then the person is also going to get 5 ET. But if the person didn't use the referral ID, both of you are going to lose. So tell the person, if the person wants to get 200 Ghana cedis, let him or her use the referral ID so that he or she will get 5 ET and you will also get some. Thank you very much.